So we have these industrial sewing machines available for sale at a very affordable price right here in Lagos State, Nigeria. We are the manufacturers of this industrial sewing machine at China, and right here in Nigeria we have them available for sale at a very big quantity. Wholesalers are welcome to buy from us, retailers are welcome, and the end users are welcome to buy from us. You can see it. Please kindly contact us. Manager.
Call her.
So we have these industrial sewing machines for sewing of clothes, bags, shoes, etc. We have them in brand new, and we also have them in fairly used. So your choice matters a lot to us. That is why we have them in fairly used, and we have them in brand new. You can buy any one you like. Their prices are very, very affordable. See it? We look forward to your patronage. Thank you, and God bless you.
Now that one, why I show you, man?
This one looks like this one looks like you don't sit down and talk. Look at the exact copy. It won't look like
I'll tell you.